Hey there folks, Slayton here, another exciting removal. This time we're in the town of Brownsville, Texas. If you followed us live on Facebook, this is the 5th job we do today. So we did the hat trick. A little busy today. God bless us. Please help us find that queen. Give her a kiss, not get stung so much. The sun will be a factor. It's about 7 o'clock at night or 6:30 or so. It's still about 100 degrees out, so it's pretty hot. Hopefully we can put up a show for you. Stay tuned. Asegúrese que la de atrás esté grabando aquí, por favor.
¿Esta?
Sí.
Ahí está.
No, pero que esté aquí centrada en donde estoy yo.
Chéqueme esta cámara de atrás. Estaba.
Sí, acá está.
Hey folks, we're back with the hat trick bees. We're about to open up that wall right there. Pásame la cubetita. Okidoki. Vamos a mirar esta. Me voltea la...
Ahí está ahí mírese.
Estoy chulo. Deje ver la camarita. Here we go, going for the trick. Good luck, bro. Thanks, Eddie. Appreciate it. Man, you're busy today. Jealous. I'm always busy. Edna, what's up? How you been? Ozerk Saluk. I hope I didn't butcher your name. How you doing? Yeah, camera's dirty. No está mi cita, la verde. Man, I'm tired. scroll down the comments. Let's see. Leo, what's up, Leo? You know nothing, just messing with them bees. Bájame la camarita, esa una cualquier cosa, por favor. Take a neat coach.
¿Listo? Ok, ahí.
Un poquito más. Ahí está bien. Delia Tirón is watching. Hello, Delia. How you doing? This one's a little different because the combs are sideways, so I have to cut them with that. How far ahead the clients have to call you for a bee's nest? For bee's nest? Man, I'm booked, bro. Solid, like 2 weeks straight. Póngame esa.
¿Qué? Ahí está en tu pie.
Cuchillo.
En tu pie.
Oh. Bragger. I just got too many kids to have that much hair. I got 5 kids. What are you talking about? Necesito otra cubetita. Copograms por Diva. ¿Cómo está? Muchas gracias, aprendiendo mucho de usted. Excelente su trabajo, Alfonso. Thank you for. Muchas gracias por mirar mi trabajo y mirarme trabajar. Lo aprecio. Oster, man, I can't see the translation, bro. That language I do not speak. Bagun, Yakun, nice side cut it. Yeah. Not nice that I'm on my knees. Tenga la camarita. Así sale esta. Oh, it's hot, keep out, yeah. ¿Está mirándome ahora?
Sí, ahí lo voy siguiendo con los dos.
¿Ah?
Ahí lo sigo con los dos.
Necesito mi cubetita, la azul. ¿Se la trajimos o no?
No, no la trajimos.
Está bien. Esta va a estar aquí. Take it off. What up, Tom Tom? Hey, just for you. Where's my boy at? What? Need to lose that right there. Love, take it off. And that's why I work out, so I can do jobs like today, and I can be a little world-class model. The bee sting do good to my hair. Now we're just showing off. Tom, how you doing? You need to come down and visit me. I need to go up to San Antonio, go see you, boy. Hey, holy water. Okie dokie. Bueno. No quería cortar el otro lado, pero se requiere. ¿Me graba? Venga, parece en este lado.
Siguiendo con
There's a queenie, there's a queenie. Queen kiss. Mwah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you, St. Martha, garden patron saint, Siddiqui, our guardian angel. Queen kiss. Mwah. Thank you for allowing me to survive a day today. Hat trick. 5 jobs, 1 day. And we're in the news tonight at 10. What? Mwah. Once again, be smart, be safe, be strong. Till next time, subscribe up on top, give us a like down below. Thank you all for watching. Leave us a comment. We'll get back to you as soon as you can. It's busy season right now, so the YouTube videos aren't going to happen for a while, or maybe 1 or 2, but Facebook Live, we went live on this one. One kiss one last time. Seal out the day, finish the day strong. Thank you for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I do really nothing. Mom says I don't go to church enough. Believe me, I meet my maker every day. Every day I meet my maker. And I'm down on my knees when I look for that queen. And I pray I find her. Mwah. Love you, Mom. Till next time, keep saving them boos. Queenie. Right there, if y'all missed it when I found her, she was there. I think my camera's dirty. See if I can wipe the camera with my pinky and grab the queen with the other one. Ah, their shirt's off. You missed it, boy. It's hot. Did the hat trick, 5 jobs one day. Whoa, George Pulido's watching. What up, George Pulido? Eddie and Kaz, thank you for watching. Carrie, Moses, thank you. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all later. Mwah. I'll post a link up to the story in the news. Be on CBS Channel 4 today. I'll post it up on social media. I appreciate you all watching. Jose M. Perez, thank you. You need to. Tommy Gallagher, thank you. Ya te fue mucho pichoneo con la queen, la vas a matar. Tonguey, tonguey, licky, licky, kissy, kissy. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Bye.